I'm Joelle and you're watching Fluffy Kawaii Show, and this is a new Vlogmas video, and today we are doing a baking party with my Lolita community from the German part of Switzerland. So I'm here with Marianne and a few other friends. Marianne is here and yeah, we're going to bake Christmas cookies together, all dressed up in Lolita, and then we might go to the Christmas market around the town. Let's go! So this is Glühwein and this is warm apple juice with cinnamon and spices. Wow, amazing! So we are now ready to start baking, and we change into our aprons, and some have very nice aprons like Anki's, and Lea is wearing a tiny super cute one that's not working a lot, but it's super cute.
My amazing not matching apron.
Don't say bad things about my fantastic apron that I lended to you because you forgot your own.
Okay, we just finished our first plate of cookies. Now we will pop them into the oven for about 10 or 12 minutes. Amazing! It smells amazing!
So we almost finished making the cookies now, and they are all finishing to bake, and then we will decorate them. Everybody brought so many different decorations, and so we could try to make so beautiful cookies. Everybody is so talented. Look at the masterpieces that were done. I was only able to film a few of the cords because I totally forgot and people left already, but here's a few of the outfits. We are now heading to the Christmas market, and we might do pictures in the way. It's super cool. We are all wearing our very warm coats and walking in the street. I'm about to do something that I thought I would never ever do, is eat fondue in Lolita, and I'm wearing brands and I might have to burn my clothes later. We'll see. And something else that is super weird is that they are giving us the fondue, just the cheese that is cold, and it's up to us to turn it and melt it, and I don't know how long it will take. It's super weird. Never ever I haven't been served fondue like that. So some of them are eating Strang fondue. It's a fondue inside of a bread, like a hot dog. We just went into the cheese hütte and had some cheese fondue and yeah, some kind of fondue inside of the bread, and it was okay, not the best fondue I ever had. And the guy kept treating us like tourists. Oh, let me explain you how to make fondue and everything. And
you have to stir.
You have to stir. Yeah. And I mean, actually he was explaining us how to do his job because they didn't cook the fondue before putting it on our table. So
Bye!